Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Welcome back to Project Miata. It's like day 7. So today we undercoat the wheel well, get the control arms cleaned up, get the bushings pressed out, and hopefully get the bushings pressed back in. And that way tomorrow we can assemble this side. Should have honestly had all that done, but ended up going to dinner with my wife and whatnot yesterday, so here we are. We're not at any crazy schedule, so it's where we're at. So let me show you this. So as of right now, calipers painted, sway bar end links sort of half on, and the sway bar bushings on. Everything's out of here. The strut is assembled and so on. So really, it's just a control arm bushings in the lower ball joint, and then we're there. So that is on the docket for today. Did some watching of some YouTube videos and some searching, trying to figure out how to get this out of this top. And I think I may have found an answer, but I'm gonna run to Publix later and wow, that's terrible. And try to figure that out and see if they have this. It's kind of like a mold remover kind of deal. I think I might drag the pressure washer out at some point, probably today or tomorrow or somewhere soon. See if I can't get some of this out, get a good scrub brush, and just try to get that top to come around a little bit. It's pretty nasty. So, anywho, for those of you just starting to watch, we did complete the passenger front is completed. Now all I got to do is torque everything down. On this side I was going to do basically both sides at the same time once I get the other side assembled. That way I'm not messing with the torque wrench 500 times, just do it, bounce around. Still got the oil leak, been watching some things on that. I know for a fact I'm going to do a valve cover gasket, and I'm going to do a PCV valve and a PC valve grommet. And I know I'm going to probably paint the valve cover wrinkle red. And then I'm also going to order a little syringe and some testers white to go into the lettering on the valve cover and try that out, see what that ends up looking like. And try to get it looking like something. You know, if this was my car, first thing I'm doing is a cold air intake and probably a header back exhaust, but you know, it's not my car. And a set of wheels. I wouldn't put those back on it. I'd be finding a set of 15s and throwing those wheels on it, and or those tires, and you know, I think a set of like a T37 knockoff or a Roto Slip or something like that would look good on this, but something. But anywho's, that's where we're at so far. I'm gonna get going here. I'll bring you along for every step of the way, and we'll kind of go in detail of what we're doing. I'll bring you in while I'm spraying the wheel well here with the bed liner, and the pour 15 on the subframe, and all that stuff's gonna happen here in the next couple minutes. And yeah, see if we can't get this thing rolling. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so been busy over here. Thought the camera was recording, it wasn't. So I bed lined, pour 15 and bed lined up in here, and I painted the plastic with the trim and bumper paint, and then I went in and pour 15'd the subframe. So we got all this ready. So now we're just, I got the heater in here, letting it dry, brake calipers inside that bag, taped up, already painted and everything. So now what we need to do is get these parts ready. So I need to clean this, get all this painted, the backing plate and the hub, so it's ready. And I need to take the control arms, which are under this box, and get them cleaned up. And I need to take the tie rod off of that one and put the new tie rod in it. And really then we're down to pushing out bushings, pushing in new bushings, and painting a couple things, and we should be installing this thing real quick. So stay tuned for all that. We're getting there. We did get some new parts for actually something you guys, I don't know if you've seen, but my mom's minivan, her Grand Caravan, shocks and struts are gone, so we ordered these off, I think, Amazon or something. But Detroit axle, complete strut assemblies, rear shocks, and then sway bar end links down there. So whenever they get home with the van, I might throw them on real quick just to get it over with. That way I don't have to worry about it. But we're getting there. I did treat some rust on the other side, on the bottom. You know, just making my way back, right? Thank God this isn't a Cadillac or something. It's 8 miles long. But we're getting somewhere. I did try a treatment this morning on the moldy top up here. It really didn't do anything. I mean, it might have helped a little, but it's still there. So I still need to go to Publix. I just don't have a car to go to Publix. Yeah, that's kind of funny when I got this, the Chrysler, the truck, the thing, and a 40 Ford sitting here, and a 58 Apache, but I don't have a car to drive to Publix. I guess I could drive the thing, but I'm not going to drive that up there and park it in a parking lot. But anywho, this is where we're at, boys. Stay tuned. Lots going on. I'll be back with you here shortly. Okay, guys, so I just put headlights in this thing. So they work great, but he wanted some new bulbs. So there you go. We have headlights. And I think these came from Flying Miata. Just factory replacements. His were pretty grody. They had some overspray on them and just had seen better days, so let's see the back of them. So anyways, new headlights are installed. Kind of cool. I love the pop-up headlights on this. I just think they're freaking awesome. So there you go, Eden. You got headlights now. Stay tuned, guys. More to come. Okay, guys. So Eden had bought new window seals, I guess it would be called. These guys here. Let's see if you can even see me here. Hold on. Put this thing out. New window seals. Basically, goes like this. Alright. So, what I'm doing right now is I'm popping this one out. Old crusty here. And then we're gonna get a little in depth. Do the other. Okay. So that's the old one. Just know what I gotta do. Figure out how to get those two clips that are in there out, and then I can press the new one in. I'll probably wipe this down, it's pretty grody, and then we'll go from there. But you can see here, this is what I'm dealing with. I got one clip left, two clips left, some nastiness, but put this somewhere where you can actually see it. Here's the old one. Pretty gross. Rust and just nasty. That's garbage. And then we got the new, brand new flying Miata ones. So stay tuned. I'm gonna figure out how to get these clips out, and then I will be back to you. Okay, guys, just like that, we have new window seals. Looks a whole lot better. I'll show you what the before was, because the driver's side's about the same. This is before. Just cruddy looking. How you get these out is pretty simple. You got a little plug right here. You got a little plug right here. Okay. You pop those out and then just pull up, and it'll pop the clips. Now, if you get to where you got to get a clip out of this, like one sticks, like I had, I'll show you how to do that. There was a little tab. You just push it forward and pull out with a pair of pliers. It comes right out. So I'm going to get on this driver's side. I'll be right back.